The question of whether to halt more than 6 new marijuana dispensary licenses is in the hands now of a judge. The Department of Taxation issued 61 conditional licenses in December, but 29 dispensaries who were left out are now suing the state. Patrick Walker shows us the closing arguments from a 3-month-long hearing.
In a handful of lawsuits, nearly 30 marijuana dispensaries have cried foul about how the state decided to issue licenses for 6 new facilities.
Our constitutional argument is based upon the regulations, because some of them are unconstitutional.
The allegations include an unconstitutional grading process for applications, inconsistent scoring, preferential treatment, and how diversity was calculated in the applications.
If diversity is important, then treat it as if it's important. Don't marginalize diversity by allowing advisory boards, because there's no advisory board even mentioned in the statute or the regulations.
Attorneys for the state and for the companies who did receive licenses fired back, saying the allegations are baseless.
There's no irreparable harm. There's been no testimony, there's been no evidence to prove it, period.
A lot of the commentary in closing and a lot of the tone throughout this process the last several months has been making speculation or making allegations without any actual proof.
The plaintiffs say they've provided proof and that if the system worked the way it should have, roughly 2/3 of the licenses would not have gone to just 6 of the 120 plus applicants.
I think the court suggested I use the word manipulation. That's what's been done here, and we all see it.
Patrick Walker, 8 News Now.
The judge has asked for more information from the state before making a ruling that could happen as soon as next week.